disco. Hey Homo sapiens and Marbats, welcome back to the channel and welcome back any new watchers or subscribers. Yeah, so today is a different kind of look and I've used glitter for the first time and I'm wearing cosplay lenses and yeah, I look freaky, like my eyes are really dark, like, but they're pink and black and yeah. Anyway, so I got these contacts especially for this makeup just because if you haven't read the title and you just clicked, this look was inspired by Liquorice Allsorts. Now I don't know if you get those in America, but you can sure do get them here in the UK. They are lovely. I love licorice. Oh. So yeah, so it's inspired by Liquorice Allsorts. Clearly it might not, you know, shout out to you straight away, but I am using like the pinks and the blacks and the blues. I didn't opt to go for the oranges, but I didn't want to go all wild, you know. But I like this look. I like it a lot. I actually really kind of snatched my nose, didn't I? Anyway, so if you are, you know, not subscribed, go ahead and go click that button. Go on, click, click, click. I would love to have you here on Planet Marbasia. We would all love to have you here on Planet Marbasia. Anyway, I'm gonna go so that you can watch the tutorial. So my skin's already primed and I'm going to go in with a foundation now, and this foundation has a bit of a orange undertone and I am quite yellow orangey undertoned anyway, but this is more orange than my actual tone, so it's going to work as a an emulator of, you know, the suite that is in the Allsorts, which one of them is orange and black. Anyway, so making sure I'm blending that all into my skin to make it seamless, and then I'm going to go on to, you know, highlighting underneath my eyes and my nose and my forehead just a little bit with some concealer. So as you can see, I'm putting that concealer on really thick because I want all the places where I'm concealing today to appear a lot brighter than usual, because I am going to bake and I'm going to bake for a hell of a lot of time today. Trust me, practically most of the video is going to be me baking. You're going to see this anyway. So I'm going to use that same sponge and I'm going to blend out, but I'm not going to blend it out too much because I still want you to see that concealer on my face. So I'm just blending those edges mostly before I go in with another concealer, which is Fawn from LA Girl. And I'm just making sure that that's going to make my under eyes pop a little bit more, as you can see here. So just place that on and I'm just, you know, blending it directly underneath my eyes. I'm not blending this out onto my cheeks or cheekbones or whatever. Anyway, moving on, because this blend is, you know, almost finished. We're going to start to bake, but I don't put that on camera. I literally just have my face baked straight away in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. See, I'm baked. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and my eyebrows today I'm using the Flash palette that I believe I used in the last video, or maybe not. Anyway, you've seen it before, and I'm using a very light blues. It's kind of like a sky blue, and I'm just, you know, carving out my eyebrow shape. Then I'm going to go in with the darker blue in that palette, and then I'm going to blend that into the lighter blue and just, you know, keep working on it so I've got that gradient that I want. So I am happy with the brows, and I'm going in with a translucent powder, and I'm going to make sure that I set those brows because they will move if it gets too warm. Now I'm going in with my eyeshadow and I've got my new contacts in too. I'm just packing on a nice fuchsia color from, I believe this is actually Dippy from the Weekend palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just placing that on the outer corners of my eye, and I'm just leaving it right where you can see it, and then I'm going to use a fluffy brush to blend it into the eyelid before I go on to using a lighter pink to blend in most of my eye. So as you can see, I've now started to place on that lighter pink, and I'm placing that in dabs and then sweeping motions just to blend it into that pink I've already done, and also making sure that it's blended into the concealer that I've already placed underneath. Going in with an in-between pink shade, and I'm going in to my inner corners, just making sure that I've got lots of pinks on my eye before I place the black on. Now I'm placing the black on in a kind of circular motion. I didn't want it to be too blended out. I wanted it to, you know, to emulate the whole suite. So I decided to, you know, blend it out a little bit and then go back in and make sure that I, you know, thicken up that black so it's a bit more stark. So now it's time to dust off all of that bake that I have on my face, and I had run out of setting spray. Literally every setting spray that I have has finished, so I had to use rose water to do my face at the end of the video. Anyway, I am contouring today, and I don't normally contour, so today I thought if I'm going to contour, I'm going to contour very harshly where you can blatantly see I have contoured. I want you to see it. Like, I don't want this to be a natural look. So as you can see, going down my nose in very dark stripes of brown. I'm just using a BH Cosmetics brush actually, which I bought the other day. Just anyway doing that, and then I'm going on with a lighter shade of foundation just to you know, carve out where it's blended out too much on the sides of my nose. Then I'm just blending everything out with some setting powder, and then I'm going to highlight. Now this highlight I've never used before, so yeah, forgive me. Anyway, so I'm using this highlighter, and it's from Makeup Revolution, and although I liked it, I just felt that the look needed to be a lot brighter than I anticipated these highlighters to look. So I decided I was going to go and use some glitter, which I've never actually done before. I've used chunky glitter on this channel, so this is the first for you guys, a very first. And today I'm using a fluffy brush to highlight my nose, and I love using fluffy brushes because they emulate that nice sheen on your nose and not too stark, and I don't want it to be too stark. Anyway, moving on, because we're going to do our lips, and I overdid my lips a bit too much because when I had to put this black lipstick on, oh gosh, it was like literally a mess trying to get rid of that highlighter all over the top of my brow, my cupid's bow. But I made it work. You know, just had to keep going in a few times. So now I'm going in with some glitter primer from NYX or NYX, and I've never used this before, so I didn't want to put too much on, but I didn't want to put so little that nothing stuck onto my face. So as you can see, I'm putting that chunky glitter on, which actually I got free with these contacts that are from TTDI. Yeah, I saw this on Alexis Stone's Instagram page, so I decided, you know, why not buy some contacts for cosplay one day. Anyway, using a Q-tip to highlight my inner corners, using the same highlighter that I used on my cheeks. So yeah, this is pretty much the look, and just keep watching to the end. So guys, that's how I got the look, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Did you press subscribe at the beginning? No? Press it now. You know, you can follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Instagram, and you can also follow me on Snapchat or Facebook. I will leave all links in the description box below, so make sure you read, and I'll see you soon. Oh, P.S. No Christmas videos this year. I already have a playlist, so go check it out. Bye. Rogue Marby Scott.